Buying Bitshares. Bitshares are one of my favourite cryptocurrencies. It's a very good technology. There's a lot of other platforms and applications built on top of Bitshares. Stan Larimer is the godfather of Bitshares. Check out Stan Larimer. Got lots of postings on Steemit as well. I'm in the poloniex exchange here, just looking at the Bitshares price relative to Bitcoin. And we can see here on the daily charts that basically since around about March 17th, the price has been steadily rising from 1549 through to 2084. So around about a 30% increase in the last couple of weeks there. Interesting also on the moving average charts, the gold line is definitely turning to pick up. The blue line, which is the longer moving average, looks like these are becoming convergent, and so we could see a climb back up from here. This is fairly tentative stuff. I'm not putting a lot of Bitshares purchase in here, but just testing out the market, seeing how it's going from here. We see the volumes are up, which is increasing the price. Bitcoin itself could have had a bit of a turn here. We're now April the 3rd, and so it's springtime for a lot of the northern hemisphere. That generally has been a very good time for stock markets and investments, and that may well be translating here as well for Bitshare. If we go back to last April, actually, let's just have a quick look, see if there's any correlation here. So let's go back to the April time here. So April the 3rd, we saw this big pick up here again last year. So it went from 627 up to 1033, so about 60% gain there. Came back a bit. I would expect this to happen again this time. We've had quite a reasonable rise in the last couple of weeks, come back and then potentially go back for this big climb. So May time there was a big climb, looking at 3184, but then not long after that it really shot up, reaching 16405. Now again, with these cycles, we're not back up to those sorts of levels. January time 2018, December 2017, January 2018, there was a big increase in Bitcoin in general that brought everything up in the cryptocurrency market. It's been in a bear market since about mid-January, mid to early January. And that's cryptos in general. So it's a bit of hopefully a bit of an overview of things, but certainly on the charts, technically this looks pretty good. We're at highs. It's the high for a month and a half, and potentially there'll be some ups and downs as always. It could be, but that to me looks like quite a nice U-shaped bottom. So we've not bought in at the low points here. That's to be expected. You can never, personally, I don't think you can ever do that except by chance. But you can see where I'm hovering this mouse here. We've had 3 points here where it's hit the low there, carried on back, hit that low, and it bounced back up and then hit a low there. So we've had 3 bottoms. For me, that's a good indicator that has now been tested, this point here at 1467. So I'd be extremely surprised. It's all about probabilities trading. So I would say we've got an 80% chance that it's going to stay above the 1467, but that still means there is a 20% chance that it could fall below that. But certainly the way I see this upticking now, like I said, since 15th, 16th, 17th of March, it's been steadily rising. Bitcoin itself hasn't been doing that for that period of time, so Bitshares may be slightly ahead of the curve. Volume on the poloniex markets, again, we're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 biggest volume of all the cryptocurrencies traded. So that again gives me a bit of confidence there. It's good volume. Bitshares you can't trade, unfortunately, on Bittrex, so it is a bit limited in that regard, but it's a great cryptocurrency, some good technology. So that's my view on it. It's a buy at the moment. Obviously do your own research, but if you found this video useful, please feel free to comment, ask any questions and share, and help me produce other videos like this by visiting thanksforwatching.com, and I've got some free gifts there for you. So thanksforwatching.com. This is Paul Hardingham from paulhardingham.com saying thank you for watching this video.